Okay, so good morning class. Today I will be giving you some age problems involving 2 or 3 persons. But before that, una, yung simple lang muna. So we have here a problem. It says here, 5 years ago, John's age was half of the age he will be in 8 years. So how old is he now? Okay, so we have here, so we are going to let x be John's age now. Okay, then so we have here 5 years ago, so we will have x minus 5. Sabi niya, John's age was half of the age he will be in 8 years. So what will be the age of John in 8 years? It will be x plus 8. Tama? And it says here, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, John's age was half. So magkakaroon tayo ng, so ito, 1/2 of the age of John in 8 years. So we already have this. So we are going to use this one. The problem is how old is he now? So we are going to find the age of John now. Okay, so we will use this. So x minus 5 equal 1/2 times x is 1/2 x. 1/2 times 8 is equal to 4. Tama, kasi it is simply 8 divided by 2. Then we are going to subtract 1/2 x here, tapos plus 5. Dito naman minus 1/2 x, dito plus 5. Okay, so having this, ito negative 5 and 5 cancels out na yan. Ito din cancels out. So we only have x minus 1/2 x is equal to 1/2 x equals 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so we already have 1/2 x plus 9. Can we erase this? Okay, so we will erase this. And we already have 1/2 x equals 9. So basically, x will be 1 times x is equal to x. Tapos, we cross multiply. Ayan, so we will have x equals 18. So, our answer, 18 years old. Okay, ito yung age ni John's age now. Okay, ito yung age ni John ngayon. So, let's see if let's check if our answer is correct. So, what is John's age 5 years ago? So, we basically 18 minus 5, so that is 13. Okay, so 13. Tapos, ano yung magiging age ni John in 8 years? So, magkakaroon tayo ng 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. As we can see, 1/2 of the age of John 5 years ago is equal to our, or I mean, 1/2 of the age of John in 8 years will be equal to John's age 5 years ago. Ayan. So, our answer was correct. So, here's our next problem. We have here 10 years from now. So, we have in the future. So, 10 years from now, Orlando will be 3 times older than he is today. What is his current age? So, we are going to have, so, we let x be Orlando's age now. Okay? Age now. Tapos, sabi niya 10 years from now. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon siya ng, so, 10 years from now, x plus 10. So, 10 years from now, ano yung magiging age niya? Magiging 3 times daw ng age niya ngayon. So, we have this. So, we are going to use this 3 years from now. He is 3 times as old he is today. Tama? So, we are going to use that. So, we subtract x here. So, we will have that one canceled out. So, we have 10 2x. Okay? Equals to 2x. So, we divide both sides by 2. So, we will have x equals 5. Okay? So, this is Orlando's age today. Okay? Ito yung 5 years old. Okay? 5 years old. It is Orlando's age now. Okay? So, paano natin, let's try to check if the situation or our answer will satisfy all the situations. So, we will have x plus 10. Okay? So, x plus 10. So, we will equals 3x. So, we will have x, which is 5, plus 10 will be equal to 15. Okay. Is 15, so, yung 15 na, also, wait. So, this is 15, 3x pa rin yan, equals 3x. Okay? So, if we have 15, and our x is 5, we will have 3 times 5. Is 3 times 5 equal to 15? Yes. So, our answer is correct.